Ingoreza Ma TV amu enang ena.
I like to beseech the youth of this country to ensure that they are not misused by politicians. I will not let my child, as a member of parliament, come and throw stones because I know they can easily be killed. Why would any person who is not even involved in the electioneering let their children come and throw stones and be killed for nothing? Normally, I remember some time back, many people were killed in one day when Raila was coming from overseas. I've never heard anybody talk about those people. Tens of people died and they were forgotten. They are just numbers. They are not even named. So I'm requesting Kenyans to just realize this is our country. Leaders come and go. This country remains. But the aftermath of any violence is felt for years and years.
Ingoreza Ma TV amu enang ena.